Hello guys, how are you? We have a new problem here for application of the integration. So this is sketch the region bounded by the graphs of the algebraic functions and the area of the region. It wants to know the area of the region. So we want to sketch the area, the region bounded by the two function, and calculate the area. So first thing we do, we find the intercept point. So in order to this unit, this function it's around the y-axis, f of y and g of y. So it's not function of x, it's function of y-axis. So in order to find, we need to know the integration limit. So in order to find that, we need to find the point of intersect. Point of intersect, that's mean when the two functions they have the same value. So when the two functions they have the same value, so that means y squared equal y plus 2. So we'll say y squared equal y plus 2. And then we will solve for y. So this will be y squared, subtract y plus 2 from each side, minus y minus 2 equal 0. Right? And then we gonna have to factor this term. So y equals 0. So what's the two number you multiply? You get 2, and you subtract, you get minus 1. So the two number is 2 minus 2, 2 times 1, and the sign, so let's try both, plus negative 2, and then let's examine this. So if we say y squared, which is y squared, right here, plus y minus 2y, so that's going to be minus y, that minus 2, so that's the correct fraction here. So that means y equals 2 or y equals minus 1. Alright, so that's my integration limit. And let's graph the function, see how the function looks. Alright. Okay, let's start with this, y plus 2. So we want to try substitute for this value. So when y equals 2, so 1, 2, okay, g of y equals 4. So y equals 2, g of y equals 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2, 4. That's first point. And then when y equals minus 1, so minus 1, g of y x equals 1. So it's right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's my second point here. Alright. Y equals negative 1. Y equals negative 1. X equals 1. So that should be okay, that's 1. So when y equals negative 1 should equal 1. So it should be here the second point. And then we're gonna graph the first function. So the first function, that's the first function, which is y plus 2. Then let's look at the second function, y squared. So that means when we have x squared, usually it's around the y-axis. When we have y squared, it's around the x-axis. And we already know this is going to intersect these 2 points. And y squared, so it's going to be that. Like that. That's my y squared. Alright, so that's my function. So the 2 intercept points, this is -1 and so 1x and -1. And the second one here is 4 and 2. Alright, now let's find the area. So the area, A, let's do a direct line here, equal integral, what's my limit? From -1 to 2. Then this is around the y-axis. So this function alright. So this function here right, so this is function here, the 2 intercept point, which all the area under the y plus 2 curve line minus the area under y squared line. So the big area minus this area here. So that will give me the area of the region between the 2 functions. Alright, so my integration limit from -1 to 2, then y plus 2 minus y squared. Right? And all this dy. Alright, let's simplify this. So a equal -1 to I plus 2 minus y squared dy. And then let's do the integration. So y plus 2, that's y squared over 2 plus 2y minus y cubed over, and then from -1 to 2.